How to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your problem. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in TikTok. Once you see update sign here, tap on update. Now once you have updated the app, open it. Hop onto your profile on your bottom right. If it's still not working for you, then here is what you can do to fix it. Head over to the 3-bar icon on your top right, tap on Settings and Privacy. At this page, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Report a Problem under Support and About. Here go to Account and Profile, tap on Profile Page, tap on Other at the end, here tap on No, and tap on Need More Help. Now under your support tickets, simply type in your problem. Once you type in your description, if you have any screenshot that you would like to add, you can do that by tapping on the picture icon here. Once done, tap and submit. And now all you have to do is wait for the notification on your system notification, which will appear on this. Under your inbox where it says system notification, you will get an update if they reply you back. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.